Yes, Sat Shri Akal students. So today we will discuss laws of exponents for real numbers. We assume these numbers A and B both which are greater than 0, and let's say they are real numbers, and P and Q are rational numbers. Now, first law of exponent, A raised to power P into A raised to power Q is equal to A raised to power P,
PQ.
no, P plus Q. For example, we can say 3 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 4 is equal to 3 raised to power 5 plus 4, that is equal to 3 raised to power 9. Second law, A raised to power P whole raised to power Q is equal to A raised to power, in this case, P and Q will be multiplied. P, Q. For example, I can say 3 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 4 is equal to 3 raised to power 8. Right? Third one. A raised to power P divided by A raised to power Q is equal to A raised to power P minus Q. When the base is same, A, which is greater than 0, the powers will be subtracted. For example, I can say 5 raised to power 3 divided by 5 raised to power 2 is equal to 5 raised to power 3 minus 2, that is equal to
2.
5 raised to power 1, that is equal to 5. Well, this can also be done like this. 5 raised to power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 5 square means 5 into 5 two times. So both these 5 will cancel with 2 5s, and we have only 1 5 as the answer here. Next, fourth law of exponent. Now the bases were same till now. Now I am going to change the base. A raised to power P into B raised to power P. The powers are same, the bases are different. So when the powers are same, sorry, when the bases, yes, when the powers are same and the bases are different, the bases will get multiplied. It will be A, B whole raised to power P, whole raised to power P. We can do it like this. You can have 3 raised to power 2 into 2 raised to power 2. The bases will get multiplied. 3 into 2. The power will be same 2. So this is equal to 3 to the 6 square. And 6 square is equal to 6 multiplied by 6, that is 36. We can,
36.
Correct. We can do it like this also to check. Now 3 square is 3 threes are 9 and 2 square is 4. We know 9 fours are 36. So when the bases are different and the powers are same, remember the bases will be multiplied. Next, fifth law of exponent. What is that? A raised to power minus p. Now the power is negative. The power is negative. So this will be equal to 1 divided by a raised to power p. Very important law. We can say 3 raised to power minus 7 is equal to 1 by 3 raised to power 7. We can also say, students, 1 raised to power 2 raised to power minus 4 is equal to, here in the denominator, the power is negative. This will be equal to 2 raised to power 4.
4.
Because actually it's like this, 1 raised to power 2 raised to power minus 4 is equal to 1 divided by, as per the formula, it is 1 by 2 raised to power 4. So this will come up. It will be 2 raised to power 4. Next, we are going to discuss sixth law of exponent. This is a divided by b. The bases are a and b, whole raised to power minus p. Very important law. A divided by b, whole raised to power minus p. Students, here the a and b will get interchange and p will change the sign. So this will be equal to b divided by a whole raised to power p.
P.
How can we check it? Just see, 3 divided by 2. Let's say we have whole raised to power minus 2 would be equal to 2 divided by 3 whole raised to power 2. Let's check it. So students, 3 divided by 2 whole raised to power minus 2 is equal to 1 divided by 3 by 2 whole raised to power 2. See, just now we have discussed a raised to power minus p is equal to 1 by a raised to power p. Using this formula, I got this result. So this is equal to 1 divided by, now using other formula, a by b whole raised to power p is equal to a raised to power p divided by b raised to power p. So I can say here 3 square divided by 2 square. This is equal to 1 divided by 3 3 is a 9 divided by 4. Well, this is equal to 4 by 9. This can be written as 2 square by 3 square. This can be written as 2 by 3 whole square. See that. Very important formula. Practice it number of times. Next, a raised to power m by n is equal to, we call it nth root of a whole raised to power m, where m and n, this is belongs to. This means inverted C, and this line, this is belongs to natural number. A very important thing. students, let me elaborate. When I write square of something, let's say I write 4 square. Actually, this means 4 raised to power 1 by 2. When I write, let's say 5 cube root, this is 5 cube root. So this is 5 raised to power 1 by 3. When I write 6, like this, so this is 7 raised to power 1 by 6. So
6.
similarly, you see, this is a raised to power m by n. This can be written as a raised to power m into 1 by n. Am I right? So this can be written as a raised to power 1 by n whole raised to power m. And we have discussed a formula, you see, a raised to power p whole raised to power q. Here the powers will be multiplied. It will be a raised to power pq. Using this formula, this is pq, both are getting multiplied. So I took this 1 by n inside and this outside. So now we have just discussed, see that cube root of 5 is 5 raised to power 1 by 3. So this is a raised to power 1 by 3 can be written as a, here will come n whole raised to power m. That is the formula. Very, 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 very important formula, students. Based upon these formula, and now we are going to do some sums. You might have to see this video number of times because in physics, in chemistry, in mathematics, in statics, these formulae till graduation level or even beyond it will be extensively used. So without these formulas, you will have problems in doing sums in algebra and other parts of mathematics. So students, let's do 16 raised to power 1 by 2 whole raised to power 1 by 2. So we can do it like this. So it's like, you see, 16 can be written as 2 raised to power 4. I'm just replacing 16 as 2 raised to power 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 16. This is equal to 2 raised to power 4. So 16 is been replaced by 2 raised to power 4. These powers I can multiply. So it becomes 1 by 4. Now these powers 4 and this power will be multiplied. So it will be 4 into 1 by 4. That is equal to 2. Second question. So we can do, let's say 81 whole raised to power minus 1 by 2, right? This raised to power minus 1 by 4 and whole square. How will you do this? So this is equal to, now don't make the mistake of using that formula a raised to power minus p is equal to 1 by a raised to power p. Even if you do, it will become lengthy, but answer will be same. So you can try this also later on. More you practice, more you will uh, be excelling in this. So better you multiply all the powers of 81 as per the formula a raised to power p whole raised to power q. You can extend this formula also. Whole raised to power r will be equal to, anyone can say, a raised to power, anyone can say, Correct. P,
PQR.
PQ.
PQR. All the powers will be multiplied. So it will be minus 1 by 2. Always put minus 1 by 2 in bracket into minus 1 by 4 into 2. All are powers. See, 1 raised to power other raised to power other. So this will be 81 whole raised to power. 2 will cancel with 2. So this will be 1 by 4. Very simple. Now think 81 can be split into 3 raised to power. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. 3 raised to power 4 whole raised to power 1 by 4. So guys, this will be equal to 3. Very simple. Let's go further. So let's do third sum. 5 by 6 whole raised to power 1 by 5 whole raised to power minus 1 by 6. So how we will do it? Better multiply both the powers. So it will be 5 by 6 whole raised to power 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 6. Well, this is equal to 5 by 6 to the power, yes students,
Minus
minus
1 by
1 by 30.
30.
All right. So this is equal to, now do you remember the formula?
6 by 5.
So this will be 6 by 5. Mansimrit Kaur is correct. Whole raised to power. The negative sign will disappear. 1 by 30.
30.
So this is the answer. It cannot be solved further. Which formula you have applied? A by B whole raised to power minus M is equal to B by A whole raised to power M.
M.
Right. Good. Next sum. Give me 1 second. So 81 divided by 16 whole raised to power. This is my fourth sum. Minus 3 by 4. Right. Into square bracket 9 by 25 whole raised to power 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 whole raised to power minus 3. How we will do it? So it looks like a dragon, but the answer is very simple. So how we will do it? You see, you can do it so many ways, and I will suggest that you should do it in number of different ways, and then when you will see the answer is same, you that will be a practice. It will go to your brain. So I can have different style, you can have different style, no problem. So I will do like this. This is 3 by minus 3 by 4. So I'm able to smell that this 4 can be cancelled with 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Here 3 raised to power 4. Here 2 raised to power 4. So I will write here 3 by 2 whole raised to power 4. This is 81 by 16. Right? Whole raised to power minus 3 by 4 into, so see students, this will be 9 by 25. Now I concentrate here. This is 2. So this will be 3 square and this will be, anyone, 5 square, right? So
5
I
square.
can write 3 by 5 square. 3 by 5 square. This is 9 by 25. Whole raised to power 3 by 2. Sorry, I should have used other bracket here. I should have used other bracket. We should not use same brackets. Okay? So please change this bracket to this bracket. Right? And this divided by what, students? 5 by 2 raised to power minus 3. Right. So this would be equal to, so see that here it will be 3 by 2. So 4 will be multiplied by minus 3 by 4. So it will be 3 by 2 whole raised to power minus 3, because 4 has been multiplied by minus 3 by 4. So that is equal to minus 3. Bolo. Okay. 3 by 2 whole raised to power minus 3 into, see, this is 3 by 5 whole raised to power. Anyone can say 2 will cancel with 2. So it will be 3. Right now, see, this is 5 by 2 minus 3. So I can write it into, yes, students, 5 by 2 whole raised to power 3. See that? I've used this formula. What? 1 by a raised to power minus p is equal to a raised to power p. I've explained you. I've explained you here, I think. Yes. See, I've explained you here. Okay. So, well, this is equal to, yes, students, this is equal to, now I'm going to change the minus sign. So it will be 2 by 3 whole raised to power 3 into 3 by 5 whole raised to power 3 into 5 by 2 whole raised to power 3. So this will be equal to, now I'm going to use the formula a by b whole raised to power p will be equal to, any student? A raised to power p
P,
divided by
B raised
b
to power
raised to
P,
power p. Pranav, you are correct.
P.
So this will be 2 cube by 3 cube into 3 cube by 5, not square, cube into 5 cube by 2 cube. Right, students? So you see that 5 cube cancels with 5 cube, 3 cube cancels with 3 cube, 2 cube cancels with this. The answer is so simple, 1. So such a difficult sum. But I once again suggest you try to do it. It can be done in 4, 5, 6 ways. Try to do it in different ways. You'll be excited. Okay, let's do more sums. Now says under root is fourth under root of 12. Okay, so into seventh root of 6. We say like this. So this will be equal to, students, I can say 12 raised to power
12
and
raised to power 1 by 4.
beautiful into 6 raised to power.
6, 1 by 7.
Oh, that's beautiful. So now how can I do it? So now, students, I will factorize 12. 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 whole raised to power 1 by 4. And I will factorize 6 also. 2 into 3 whole raised to power, come on, 1 by 7. Am I right? So which formula I have used? I have used
Yes, sir.
a nth root of a. Everyone say nth root of a is equal to a raised to power 1 by n. Just like we are doing under root 2, here also 2 can be written. Even if you don't write, it is understood 2 is there, is equal to 2 raised to power 1 by 2.
2.
Okay. So guys, I got this one. Well, this is equal to now 2 raised to power 1 by 4 into 2 raised to power 1 by 4 into 3 raised to power 1 by 4 into, can anyone say this? Maybe Manrojdeep Kaur,
6
can
raised
you
to power
say?
1 by 7.
So it will be 2 raised to power 1 by 7 first into 3 raised to power 1 by 7. Am I right? That's good. So
Yes,
now
sir.
what will I do? I will take the same base. I will see where is the same base. 1, 2, 3. These are same base, right? And this is also same base. So what is the formula? A raised to power P into A raised to power Q is equal to, when the bases are same, the powers will be added,
Minus.
added,
Plus.
not minus, added. So it will be 2 raised to power, all the powers of 2 will be added. So it will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 7 into 3 raised to power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 7, right? So this is equal to, students, you can say 2 raised to power. If you solve it, the LCM can be 14. Uh, LCM, not 14, more than 14. But when you solve it, you will get this 2 raised to power 9 by 14 into 3 raised to power 11 by 28. Here the LCM will be 28. Here the LCM can be 28. Here also 28, but 28 will cancel with something. So it will be 9 by 14. Actually, it will be 18 by 28. So please do it. So now, once you have done it, students, how will you express it? You can leave it here also, or you can write like this. 2 raised to power 9, 14th root into, can anyone say? 3
3
raised to power
under root
3.
raised to
11.
power
No, no, you don't say under root now. You don't say under root. This is not under root. This is 14th root. When you say under root, it means square root. Is means 1 by 2. So 3 raised to power 18, and you should say 28th root.
8th root.
28th root. Am I right? So you can further solve it.
yes,
You can further solve it if you want to be good in maths. You can further solve it. So this will be equal to, yes, can you say this will be equal to, can I write here 28, 28th root of 2? Then what will be the power? Can anyone guess? If I write 28 instead of 14, what will be power? Simple. 9 by
11.
14 can be written as 18 by 28. So it will be 18 here. See, concentrate here. Okay. Into 3 raised to power 11, 28th root, right? So just now I have studied one thing. What rule? A raised to power P into A, I'm sorry, into B raised to power P. When the powers are same, the bases can be multiplied.
Multiplied.
A, B whole raised to power P. So here the powers are same. Can any student tell me what is the power of 2 raised to power 18 and 3 raised to power 11? The power is 1,
28.
not
28.
28, not 28. It is 1 by 28.
1 by 2.
1 by not 2, 1 by 28. Okay, don't guess. So it will be, now the basis can be multiplied. So it will be 2 raised to power 18 into 3 raised to power 11 whole 28th root. Even, even if you do till here, you will get full marks, but you should learn how to go in more depth. Okay, so let's do some more sums. So he says m square n square under root into m square n square sixth root into m square n square cube root. I want to solve this. So guys, very simple. apply all the formulae. See the video again if possible. So this will be equal to m square n square whole raised to power. Any student?
1 by 2.
1 by 2 into m square n square whole raised to power 1 by
1 by
6. More people should speak. M square and give chance to other students also. Whole raised to power 1 by
1 by 3.
1 by 3. Good
3.
student. Good. So this will be equal to, yes, I expect the answer from Mehtab. Next step. Mehtab, can you tell next step?
m square n square 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3.
Beautiful. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. So this will be equal to m square n square. You can take 6 as LCM, so it will be 3 plus 1 plus 2. This is equal to m square n square whole raised to power 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6. Oh, this is 1. Very simple. So this is equal to m square n square. All right. Let's do still more sums. And then I will give you the homework also. So do this. He says these are higher order thinking sums. If 2 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power y is equal to 6 raised to power z. This is given. Prove that 1 by x plus 1 by y minus 1 by z is equal to 0. So how do we do it? So you just let, and these are equal, right? So you just let 2 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power y is equal to 6 raised to power z. Let's say everything is equal to k. Okay. So we can say 2 raised to power x is equal to k. 3 raised to power y is equal to k. And anyone? 6 raised to power z is equal to k. Am I right? Please, everyone mute yourself. Okay, fine. So this we have done. So we can say 2 is equal to, students, can you tell from here? 2 raised to power k, 2 raised to power x is equal to k. So 2 will be equal to, see students, I will tell you. See, 2 raised to power 3 is equal to, anyone can say? 2 raised to power 3 is equal to
2 raised to power 1 by 3.